Smart, multi-intelligence, electric wine aerator. A new breakthrough in wine aerators in green. Easy to assemble. One-button operation. Start and pause conveniently. Blue window for pouring wine accurately. Red, green, yellow power indicator. It uses high-pressure, red light, magnet to aerate the wine quickly. 100 times the effect of natural. Only 3 to 4 hours needed. Aerate 60 to 80 bottles of 750 milliliters wine.
You create with Cricut. You're not just making something new. You're also creating a one-of-a-kind celebration, full of surprise. A new houseplant that anyone can keep alive. A small business out of a DIY hobby. A space for love and a happy place to wipe your feet. Some people work from home, and when it's just home. And even your own sanity. Because with Cricut, what you make makes you, and in turn makes the world around you. So whether it's the scary times or the you're about to be stuck with me for lifetimes,
Thanks.
make every time with Cricut.